Hey guys! I'm gonna be starting off this project with an empty box, and I will open it up, lay it flat, and cut out the parts that I won't be needing. Now I'm gonna roll the whole thing. For the bottom, I'll be using a trifle board and then cutting out a circle that's 14 inches round. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Now I'll be closing up this part here with duct tape. After that, I used poster boards to cover the outside and the inside as well. Moving on to my favorite part, where I used empty Easter baskets for the design. It was really hard looking for something that was strong and yet flexible, so when I came across these Easter baskets, I was so excited. So this is the part that I'm going to use because it's really strong. I removed the handles from all of the baskets and they're like strong wooden strips. This material was used in making the baskets itself, and it's not strong as you can see. What I'm going to be using will be the strong wooden strips used for the handles. I used some amount of pressure before breaking this because it was really strong. So then I cut it into two and did the same thing for all the rest. I had to bend the wooden strips just a little to make it easy for me when I'll be attaching it to the main design. I spray painted them gold using this gold Rust-Oleum spray paint. And now I'm going to be making holes where all the strips are going to be inserted. And I'm leaving 2 inches between each hole. Now that I'm done with the holes at the top and at the bottom, it's time to insert all of the wooden strips. Like I said before, the wooden strips are really hard, so it's so much easier if you make the holes wide enough, just in a snug way, so that it will be easy for you to insert the strips at the top and at the bottom. The wooden strips are tightly secured all around, But just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna seal off the points where they show inside the box with any 6000 glue. To make sure that the shape is not altered in any way, I got dowels from Walmart and cut them into size and painted them white and glued them inside. For the top, I'll be using this old seat that I got from an old dining chair of mine. So at the lower left, down in this video, you would see how I turned two of my old dining chairs into a table. And the link for this video will be in the description box below. Now I'm going to be making use of just the foam in the chair and then using this tray to get my 14 inches circle. The wood that comes with the chair is really thick, so it was hard making a circle with it, so I had to improvise. I cut 4 14-inch circles from a trifle board and then glued them together with regular school glue. The glue in between all of the boards is what's going to make it strong. When it was dry, I used the spray adhesive on it, and then I glued the foam to the board. I'll be making lines on the foam to make it easy for me to make points for the tufts. I'm using scissors to make the holes because the foam is just 1 inch thick. I'll be using this white leather fabric that's a leftover from another project. I'm also going to be using 1/2-inch screws and washers. The washers keep the fabric from coming out, so the nail is going to go into the washer before using it for the tufts. I'm using my finger to hold down the point for the tufts, and then I'm going to be making a slight hole before screwing it in. This is what I have. Now I'm going to cut off the excess material and start neatly stapling the remaining behind. For these 2 points, I folded them neatly and turned it behind and stapled them down. I'm folding these 2 sides also before stapling them down. Now that I have all 4 sides done, I'm gonna finish stapling the rest. This is how it looks. So I'm gonna be using any 6000 glue on all the points where the screw shows. I'm also going to be using school glue to glue the board I cut out for a finished look. Now I'm going to use Mod Podge to serve as protective layer for the board. Now I'll be cutting singular pieces from this golden stud ribbon that I've had for a while, and that's what I use to cover the nail heads. Another option for the top is to glue 4 boards together and cut out a circle from a poster board, glue it on there, and I spray painted it gold. And then the edges that were rough, I covered it with golden diamond wrap. And then I'll be using a mirror in the middle. Now I did not glue the mirror yet because I have another way to use this with a larger mirror. These are just different options, so you choose whichever one you like and then glue the mirror down. Now I noticed it was looking a little bit scanty, so I added more wooden strips by getting more Easter baskets, of course, and then I spray painted some of my gems gold and glued it at the top and at the bottom, and this is what it looks like. This was actually a request made by someone to make a coffee table for a really small space, so this is going to be good for it. And then I figured you would definitely need more storage, so this is a coffee table for a small space with extra storage. You can make the coffee table as big as you like, depending on the space that you have available. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember to like it and share it with your friends and families. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I have other videos linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.